Hey everybody, welcome back to the video series. In this video, we're going to show you how to associate your domain name with your hosting package that you bought and install WordPress so you have a website that you can start editing and using for your business. So once you've gone through and you've purchased the domain name and you've purchased your hosting, there should be an option for you to start using your products now. And it's going to be this web hosting button. So we'll just go ahead and click that. And then what we're going to do is we need to select a domain that we can use for our website. We're going to go through and do this. Now I need to use a new domain, so don't be confused if we change this from the Business Ready websites. But basically you'll have an option here that you can go through and pick up your ads or your website, excuse me. And you'll be able to associate your hosting with that. So we're going to click continue. And the cool thing is that the next step is going to ask you to build your website. And so we've already associated our hosting package with the domain. And the next thing we need to do is we need to install WordPress on top of that. And it's really easy to do where we just click install WordPress. And it's going to pop up this tab and ask us for some settings. The only thing you really need to do is create your login information. So you pick the domain that you want to use. It should be set up already. The directory, you don't need to change anything here. And then you just need to create your WordPress login information. So as you can see, I've gone through, I've created a username, I've created a password, and the email address I want to associate for the business. It's always good to have a copy of these passwords and login credentials handy with your file. It's always good to have access to your website. Once we've done all of this, we're going to click OK. And we're going to see up here that the hosting service is telling us that WordPress is installing on our domain of choice. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes, so in this time you can go back and work on some of the needs video items that we outlined. But then once it's done installing, you'll see that this window itself will let you know that it's been automatically installed and that you're ready to work on your website. So that was how to take your domain, how to take your hosting, and install a WordPress site for your new business website on it and start moving forward. In the next video, we're going to show you how to configure WordPress and start building out your actual business website. See you in a bit.